Welcome to Outgrow. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to import questions, answer options, and results into your quiz. Open your Outgrow Builder dashboard and select your quiz. Under Start from Scratch, you will see multiple classic-style templates, like one-column, two-column, card style, paragraph style, one-column compact mode, two-column compact mode, and card style chatbot. Click on the Import button where you can see the Outgrow content template in the Excel sheet. Click on the Open Sheet in a new tab button. Under the Welcome screen, you can add the heading, subheadings, and button text according to your needs and business requirements. Under the Questions tab, you can add the number of questions you want to show your audience, along with a description for each question. In the question type, you can select types of questions like multi-select, single select, drop-down, text input, text area, numeric slider, opinion scale, rating, ranking grid, date or time picker, file upload, range numeric slider, grid, etc. Also, select how many options you want to add per question. Under the Outcome screen, you can add outcomes to show your audience for each question by adding the description of the outcomes. Under the Lead Generation form, you can add the heading, description, and position of the lead form where you want it to appear, along with the required custom details like full name or first name, last name, email address, phone number, zip code, location, etc. After adding all details in the Excel sheet, click on the Import button. Now you can see all the details fetched from the Excel sheet into the Live Builder. Click on the Go Live button, and that's it. You've successfully imported questions, options, and results into your quiz or assessment using the Outgrow Builder. Try Outgrow today for bulk importing your quiz and save hours.